Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse pointer and color and also style in Windows 11. So as you can see now, the mouse pointer and my Windows 11 just looking like white like this, and I'm going to change the style and also the color. So what you need to do is click on the start menu and then go to settings. And then here at the settings, at the left panel, find the accessibility option. And here at the third row, you will find mouse pointer and touch. Click on that. And here is the mouse pointer style and also size. You can click on this style to change your mouse pointer. For example, I want to change it into black or inverted like this, or there are also custom styles like this. You can change the color as you like this. I'm going to change it into pink, for example, or uh okay, I'm going to just change it into pink. And you can also change the style. Oops. Okay, the pink. And you can also change the size of the pointer like this. Okay, it's too big. I'm going to just choose one like this. And then when you're done, just close the settings option, and now your mouse pointer has been changed these styles and also the color. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can change the mouse pointer style and color. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.